Hello, everyone. My name is Matt Kunkel. I'm the CEO and co-founder at LogicGate, and welcome to another episode of GRC Today. We took a little bit of a break, but we're back with a special episode. For those of you who may not know, GRC Today is not the only series that LogicGate hosts. We also host a podcast called GRC and Me, where we interview industry thought leaders in the governance, risk, and compliance space. The podcast is hosted by Megan Fee, who's LogicGate's Director of International Sales. So I wanted to use this episode of GRC Today to share some highlights of the season 3 premiere of GRC and Me, where Megan is going to chat with Emily, a GRC content manager at LogicGate, and Amrutha, a senior product manager at LogicGate, around the benefits, the vision, and frankly, the why behind the Risk Cloud Exchange.
The Risk Cloud Exchange is a place where GRC practitioners can go and they can independently discover and explore the content available to help to bolster and mature their program.
We know that this is a quickly advancing industry, so our team is always reviewing industry trends and thought leaderships to make sure we're assessing what will be most impactful to our customers going forward as they grow their GRC programs alongside Risk Cloud.
Our goal with the Risk Cloud Exchange is to make sure that as a whole, it is really usable and the interface actually enables you to go and find what you're looking for and make sure that you're able to really easily customize the applications and other content that you're downloading from the exchange to fit your organization using Risk Cloud technology.
We recently released a CMMC self-assessment application. We've been hearing a lot about CMMC, obviously the new standard in the defense industrial-based sector. So giving a lot of our customers in that sector the ability to self-assess and prepare for CMMC self-assessments.
So we want the content that you're seeing in the Risk Cloud Exchange to be created by and created for our Risk Cloud community of customers and partners. It's actually really interesting. We've seen our customers will often come and join the Risk Cloud community with one use case in mind, but then over time really end up adding more and more GRC and non-GRC use cases to our platform and really find unique opportunities for operational efficiency by combining applications and integrations and interesting reporting functionality to create this really holistic program. The Risk Cloud Exchange is going to be your one-stop shop to inspire your own program by the things that others are doing in the community.
So if you like what you heard, I encourage you to head over to podcast.logicgate.com and check out the full episode. And while you're there, you can check out other episodes of GRC and Me from previous seasons. So for GRC Today, I am Matt Kunkel, and remember to risk with confidence.